Millennial Mom PH. In today's video, I will be sharing to you how to make a blue ternate juice or blue pea juice. For our blue pea juice, the ingredients are very simple. First is this one. This is the blue ternate or blue pea. Yes, this is very common anywhere. The other one is the calamansi. You will need around 4 to 5 or 6 pieces of calamansi and a brown sugar or any form of sugar. You can also use honey for the sweetener of your blue pea or blue ternate juice, and around 1 liter of water. So, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so let's start. This is the flour, the blue pea flour. Then next thing is you get this one, this part right here, and throw this away. So we will be using the flour and boil them. Next, we'll add water. Next is we will process the calamansi. We're now done with our calamansi, fresh calamansi. We are also done boiling our blue pea, ready for straining. Nice, already a mixture of calamansi and blue pea. Next will be our brown sugar. Together. Now, we will mix this mixture to this water. And stir. Okay. And voila! This is now our blue pea juice. A very healthy one. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy and learn something in this video. Bye bye.